Good evening from the Chardon Weather Center in Sweet Spot, Ohio. Just wanted to point out to you that we have a rather interesting system coming for us up in this area right here in Northeast Ohio. Right here we show clipper number 1, and this would be tomorrow afternoon. We have rain changing over to snow in northern Ohio. This is just the first enchilada because right here we have number 2, and this one's going to mean business with more cold air causing cold air advection over a warm lake. We have temperatures now 40, 42 degrees in Lake Erie, and with 850 millibar temperatures dropping to 12, 15, 16 degrees minus centigrade, we're going to have instability in excess of 18 to 20 degrees centigrade between the lake and 850 millibars, which is 5,000 feet. So that with the copious amounts of moisture between this system and the backwash from this system, besides the system snows, we could very well be seeing in this vicinity 4, 8. I wouldn't be surprised if we see some 10-inch amounts between Cleveland and Northwest PA with this particular system coming through. Right here on Friday night, we see the clipper number 2 coming through with more cold air behind it and with it, and there's going to be snow in much of the state of Ohio into this part of Pennsylvania, and this part of New York State could see some generous amounts of snow too. From Saturday morning into Saturday afternoon, we're going to be seeing some generous amounts of snowfall courtesy of the unfrozen and relatively mild lake waters with very cold air advection passing over them in a northwest flow. Right here you can see 6 hours later in the afternoon Saturday, we still got snowfall coming, and as you can see right here, we even have a Lake Huron connection right down into northern Ohio. So you add them all together, and by the time we're done between late Thursday into late Saturday, as I said before, we could be seeing some rather decent snowfalls for this time of the year in April. So just wanted to give everybody a heads up in northern Ohio, and it's not just the snow belts that's going to see some generous amounts of snow. Of course, they will see the most amount, most likely, but people in Akron and Canton, Northwest PA, of course, Erie, and then, of course, this part of PA, Scranton, Wilkes-Barre could see some generous amounts of snow also. So thank you for joining me from the Chardon Weather Center in Sweet Spot, Ohio.